Hey everybody, it's 12:12 and 6 seconds on January 21st. Hope you can see this right here. Over here on the on the left-hand side of the 16 filled spots. I'm having a little issue with my mouse. This is a touchscreen computer, so I'm just doing it via touchscreen. Let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 16. I'm going to randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list will get the Captain America. It will ship tomorrow, Tuesday the 22nd. So here we go. That's 1. Forgot to type in Cap America 100. That's why it wouldn't let me run it. Okay, so 16 times. Let's go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just having a lot of computer problems right now. I apologize, folks. 13, 14, 15, and here is the final one. 16, spot 9, Brad Barnes. The time is 12:13 and 21.